Hello to all of you. First of all, I would like to personally invite you in a Philippine Independence Day celebration on June 9 in Denmark. If you live in Denmark, it's in Ama in Lufthavn, or no, close to Lufthavn, but not in Lufthavn. It's in Skattegård School in Ama. You could learn more about it if you go to Philippines Dance Group page, and then you could see it in the events. Um, this is a tradition for me now. I always celebrated with Philcom for 3 years now. The first time I celebrated with them, um, yeah, I represent our group, Filipino Danish group in Philcom. Um, First time I did was hosting for a short period of time, like for an hour, something like that. And then at that time, 2010, yeah, no, yeah, 2010. So it's 2 years now, not 3 years. 2010, I was selling clothes also, because at the time I also have my Asian style business that time. And then 2011, last year, I did the whole hosting of the program and preparing the program. So yeah, and I also did a little bit of dancing. I did dance last year also with my group, so it was a fun experience. And this year it's going to be, the venue is really big. It has 800 capacity, so it's really big. So we are inviting all of you to watch and witness. It's nice to celebrate Philippine Independence Day, even if you're not in the Philippines. It is the it is the time where we share our culture to not just Danish community, but also to other Filipinos. Remind them of the independence we had from Spaniards, from Japanese, and from American, those people who colonized us from how many years, way back, long way back. It's our 114th year celebration this year, so we are inviting you. As you can see, I'm wearing a um, uh, Ikorot costume, or not, no, not Ikorot, Ifugao costume, or yeah, Ikorot, yeah, Ifugao. So yeah, we're inviting you to come and witness. We have a lot of special Filipino talents this year. We have our own version of Freddie Aguilar, and we have our own Sarah Geronimo. You know, we we cannot have the real Freddie Aguilar, but at least we're going to have someone who sounds like Freddie Aguilar. I don't know if he looks like Freddie Aguilar too. And the other one also looks a little bit like Sarah Geronimo, and sounds like Sarah Geronimo. So it's going to be fun, because you would see Filipino talents singing, dancing, and also some kids who will also give us fun and joy, which is by watching them participate. So it's free entrance. It's free entrance, and here's the ticket. So it's at June 9, 2012, next Saturday. It's at Skotegodsskolen, Saltverksvej 63. Saltverksvej 63. And then the entrance is at Normaxvej. If you see the Normaxvej, you just need to turn there. And then I'll be there. This year my role is going to be technical floor floor manager. So I have to make sure that floor is clean. No, I'm just kidding. I just have to make sure that everything works fine, and we prepare a lot of good numbers for you. So feel free to come. It's free entrance. The 25 krona is just for ticket. If you want to join the raffle, you have a chance to win Apple iPad, basket of goodies, dinner for two worth 1,000 krona. So it's really good. So I mean, come and join us. Come on. Bye bye.